Nice to meet you too, Mr. Beans.
Hello, nice to meet
Hello.
you. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you
From
from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
From Philippines.
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Okay, I'm Dee. Yes, I know Bangladesh. It's nice people,
Oh,
good people.
do you live in Mindanao?
I
Mindanao.
have Bangladesh.
Do you live in Mindanao?
Yes, I'm Mindanao. Okay. No. No, I'm
Luzon.
here in Liti.
Luzon.
Visayas.
Visayas, Luzon. This.
Visayas.
Oh.
Visayas. There
Okay.
are three island of the Philippines is
Actually,
I'm here in
in
Visayas.
your country,
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
so much islands. Am I right? So much islands. More 3,000 or more. 3,000 or more. Yeah, really?
They big,
Islands.
big.
Big, big,
The
big.
big island.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Just what time is it now?
Three parts of
What time is
three
it
parts
now?
of Philippines. My time is to 24 p.m.
24. But here in our country, Bangladesh, 12:25 p.m. at noon. Just at noon. Here.
Alone. So advancing 2 hours my country.
Oh, okay. Just actually, recently have you owned PK? Have you owned PK recently from someone?
Uh,
You have
as
put
now I have no
you
PK.
you have put crown.
Here only.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
Uh,
here only.
basically, are you host here? Are you host in this platform? Host.
Yes, I am host in Bigo.
Also me.
So my task
Also
is
me.
you can host.
Yeah.
Invite me. Please.
Basically,
Invite me.
I have got it about 3 months or more. I have got it as a host. I am using this app. Basically, this is the main aim to come here to practice English with different people or different community all over the world. You are watching in hand a glove, and this glove is used for tracking someone locations all over the world. Basically, I am private teacher. I teach not only English but also mathematics. Actually, private teacher.
I don't know in another country. I have small English and Filipino language.
Oh,
That's all.
actually, how many countries have you?
Yes.
How many countries have you recently visited all over the world? How many countries? All over the world?
I don't know. I don't know. Are you teacher in ano?
Yeah,
Are you teacher?
yeah. Not private teacher. I'm private teacher, not a reputed or not an instituted
Why
teacher.
you can why you can use in Bigo?
Basically, I practice English. I have come here to practice English with foreigners. To speed myself.
There's so many
To speed myself.
there's so many apps if you want practice another language in another country.
Yeah, just I am very interested and I'm very agree to
But
practice American English. Most of the time, I practice with Americans with different topics. I talk to with them with different topics. Okay. So English.
you're very nice to talk English.
Uh, whenever
Yes, your English is nice.
I got I came in this platform. Actually, I didn't know how to talk with foreigners properly. Just day by day, after day by day, I have increased my experience by talking to each other with different people all over the world. Okay. How old are you at present? Your age?
No?
Yeah.
No?
You. How old are you?
I'm 50-year-old. I'm a single mom.
Single mom. Oh, I'm 30 years old. I'm single too. I'm single too. Really?
35.
Yeah.
35.
Recently completed higher education, and I'm trying to search new job. That's why. Yeah.
My daughter is already 32. 32-year-old. My daughter.
Your daughter age is 32. Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Is she completed university level? Is she completed?
No, she's only grade 12. Uh,
Oh.
senior high.
Oh. Actually,
She have family. She have family.
okay. Do you
His
have
husband is very old.
do you have
His
any
husband
son?
very old.
Do you have any son? Do you have any son?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
He's calling in grade 12 now.
12 now. Okay.
He's call. Yes.
Actually,
He's call.
do you earn money? Do you earn money from this platform? Do you earn money?
No.
But why do you use? Why do you use this app at present?
I want to use I don't know how to make money these apps.
Just making fun, and just a relationship with each other. That is why you use this app. Am I right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, in
Okay,
this
follow me and invite your live.
yeah. Already I have followed you. But I can suggest you, you should accompany all the time when I come in this platform on live streaming, and I will attend in your live streaming when you will come. Okay. So it is the excellent